So we share the elevator with people in deck 10 and 9 and then 8.
Deck 9.
It didn't go straight to 8 as it's supposed to,
Going
but
down.
that's okay. I did not realize that. I thought from all the YouTube videos that I watched, it would go straight to 8, but when it's busy, it would make a lot of stops. They make a lot of stops along the way. Okay.
Going down.
Let's see. I forgot my orientation. Where's the front? Okay, so straight ahead. Straight ahead. Heading to our room. 298. Wow, look at that artwork. This way. Our room's this way. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you, sir?
I'm good, thank you. 298.
298?
Yes, 298. I see our luggages. I see our bags. Right here, 298. The key. Wait, can you open to get the key?
Where's the keys?
Right here. Open it and grab it for me.
Not yet, baby. There's a sign on our door, though.
There's 4.
Just grab anything that is in there. Show me what's in there. Oh, wait, let Daddy go. Give me a sec. Give me a sec.
4.
Hold on, give me a sec. 4 of them.
Yeah.
Okay, this is Vincent Wynn. Is it yours, little boy? Don't lose it.
Okay, this is mine.
Okay.
Those 2 are yours.
So each person would have a key. Hold on, boy. Give me a sec. Daddy want the video of the room. Okay, so this is what it looked like here, right? I counted to see February 22nd to March 1, stateroom 298. This is floor number 8. And dining at 5 p.m. Deck 4, table 515. Assembly station F2. We already went there. So now how do we open it?
The other side?
I don't know. Oh, it's open already. Okay, let me record the video room. Okay, you guys can come in, but don't mess things up, okay? This is our room. Don't mess it up. Not yet.
Safety, it's easy as 1 to 3.
Kids safety. Okay, this is your band here. 2 band for kids from 3 to 12. Kids from 3 to 12. The room is so cool. We have a look like a king size bed. King size bed.
Go check out the desk.
No. Where's my band?
Yeah, they're right there. There's the 2 band. You rip it out. But don't do it yet. Just relax, boy, girl.
Hey, you go check out the desk.
The desk?
No, the deck. That's what she meant. The balcony. The balcony. She meant the balcony. Okay, so we have this.
Hi, Dad.
Sure. Give me a sec. Once you open the door, the AC shut off.
That's amazing.
Okay. Well, we'll check out Miami later, but let's go in and do the room. Here's the room. So we have one USB. We have this bed. It should be a sleeping sofa, but I'm not sure it will work. Yep. 2, 3 USB and AC plug.
Oh, the bathroom. Come here.
Oh, give me a second. 4 or 5, plenty of USB.
You want to check out the bathroom?
Yeah. Let me check out the bathroom. I've seen this in videos already a million times,
It's really
but first time in person. Let me see.
There's also cups here.
So we have a toilet. So nice and clean.
God.
Look like it's brand new. Everything looks
So good.
brand new. Okay, get in, girl. That's how roomy it is. How roomy it is. Shower. Let's check the toilet. I don't want to show the toilet on the paper, but very nice. How?
Wait, can I take off my shoes in the station?
Yeah. Yes.
I'm gonna take care of my card because I'm not really responsible.
Well, you have to be responsible for your.
He didn't have to take
That's me.
the bag. So you just put on the back on it because you and him go together.
Vivian, take. No.
There's a mirror, and behind that is a little safe. Okay, go use the bathroom, okay?
Don't open the door of the bathroom.
Sure, closet. Little closet. We have these drawers here.
Frost to put a claw on.
Yeah.
Oh, we haven't bring the rope, the suitcase.
Look, yeah, bring them in, okay? TV. There's a remote control somewhere. I hit any button and this thing came up. You can watch. Oh my God, your mom doesn't know how to open the door.
What?
Open the door. Let Daddy try.
Okay, this is a sleeping sofa. Supposedly, I have never seen anyone on YouTube showing how this thing works, and no one ever posted a single video on it. So anyway, here I'm going to show you for the very first time online that I know of how you turn this into a two-person sleeping. A two-person bed. You see that handle right there? You pull it out, and then you flip the back down. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it live. Pull it out. See that? Pull it out. Oops. That's how you do it. Pull it out. Further. This is how, as far as it comes out, and then the back.
Oh.
Like that. Just put it out further, and then that thing can go all the way down. So after you pull this outer piece all the way out, the inner piece can go down, and now we have a two-person bed.
Size bed.
So this is for a sleep for. This is a sleep for room. Two can take the real bed and two over here. Easy. And underneath there's, as you can see, there are extra pillows and comforters and bed sheet and everything. So Royal Caribbean has thought about this. One thing that I noticed is there's some stain right here, some very minor stain right there.
Dad,
I wonder what they are.
Dad.
Yes, Kang.
So, where the
So this is the door to the balcony. Over here, you just say, watch your step, and then lock door for AC to operate. Don't leave any things out there, and then do not throw anything overboard. This is the locked position. Now the ABC is working. Now if you unlock it to get out, you throw it, pull it up all the way. Boom, it's unlocked. Now you can pull the door back. Okay. Get out. We have two chairs with a footrest right here. Just like that. And it can recline any further as well. The back. Can you give it a shot? See if you can recline it any further.
No.
has to be able. You have to be able to do it. That's okay.
But you can. It's fastened by a rubber band, so you can.
And that is Miami. That is South Beach.